So today's speaker is Sales Master Richard. He is running his atomic business in both Korea and the Philippines. And even his daughter and his friends are doing atomy as well. He kept working with passion no matter what challenges came his way. And in the end, he reached the Sales Master rank by following Atomy's success system. When we look at him, we can really feel that we can succeed too, and we can see that Atomy truly leads everyone to success. Today, he will teach us how he succeeded, and he will explain Atomy's compensation plan, the foundation of his success. After listening to his lecture, you will have a clear picture of success, and his passion will light a fire in your heart. If you want to light the fire of success in your heart, please raise your hand. 네,
Yeah,
성공하고 싶으신 분들 손 들어주세요.
yes.
네. Great, great, great. Those of you who raise your hands, make sure to listen carefully to today's lecture. While the lecture is going on, okay, thank you very much. While the lecture is going on, please keep your cameras on if you can, so we can see all your beautiful faces. And please keep your microphone off so we don't interrupt the lecture. After the lecture, we will have a welcome time for our new members. Then we will move into a sharing time, speech time, where anyone can talk freely about today's lecture or their thoughts about atomy. So if there's something you want to say, think about it ahead of time. All right, and now let's bring in Sales Master Richard. Everyone, please give him a big round of applause and a warm cheer. Sales Master Richard, please come in on.
Yes, thank you, Diamond Master Ponoyon, for inspiring introduction. Thank you very much. Good evening, everyone. So, if your country is in afternoon, good afternoon. If it is morning, good morning. So, because you have different time zone. So, welcome to our lecture tonight. We will discuss about Atomy compensation plan and how to earn here in Atomy. Would you please my PPT? Okay, we'll skip that. We'll finish about our company motto. The next slide, please. Okay, so as I've said, we will discuss about our compensation plan. By the way, before I proceed, I have here together with me here in my house. He is a friend of mine. He's from Turkey. Turkey. Okay. So we will discuss about this compensation plan tonight. Okay, so next slide, please. So Atomy, global online business. So our business is a global online business. So one server, one code, and it's global. It's around the world. So there are more than 50 countries now. Atomy is open, and there are 27 regions operating Atomy business. So we are global Atomy. Okay, next slide, please. So how to become successful in Atomy and earn? So do you want to become successful and earn in Atomy? So I'm going to share to you uh, this topic about compensation plan. Okay, so next slide, please. So, of course, for us to become successful here in Atomy business, we need to understand about to make a difference. Okay? Because I'm going to share to you tonight 3M. Okay? 3Ms. First M is make a difference. So our founder and CEO, Hangel Park, uh, continue to develop this business to make a difference. Although he doesn't mention about this word, but as I learn, as I understand his passion in doing and establishing this business, he tried to make a difference. So we are different from anybody. So our company, Atomy, is different from any other. So that's how I perceive, that's how I see Atomy business. So even our chairman Park Hangel tried to figure out that Atomy global business is different from anybody, from any other company, right? So that's how I perceive our company, Atomy. Next slide, please. Okay. Okay, so make a difference. So the company's principle is about absolute quality and absolute price. That's why it is different from any other. So our products, all our products are all absolute, and the price is affordable out in the market. We call that prestige. Okay, affordable out in the market. And the company's principle, that's why we are making a difference. We are different from any other company because of the consumer satisfaction and consumers success. Okay, so that's how our company is different. Okay, so that's why it's very important to understand the principle of this company, that our expenses will become an income, right? So there in our PPT, you can read our expenses will become an income. That's why we are different from any others. Okay. So also remember that once you buy, you purchase another company, there's no income, right? Did you experience that? For how many years before I joined Atomy, I bought products, what I like in supermarket, in department store, but there is no income on that. But the time I joined Atomy and changed my lifestyle, so my expenses turned to become income. So that's why Atomy is different. That's why we are making a difference here in Atomy. So and then here in Atomy is the income system. We call that passive income. There is a big income here in Atomy once you join and do your best. We call that the income system. Once you plug in yourself, that's why Atomy is different from any other multi-level marketing. Atomy is very unique. That's why I use the word make a difference. We are different from any other. Okay, you cannot compare our company to any other company. And then we have an equal and fair compensation. It's equal to all. Okay, everybody can be successful. Okay, everyone, no matter what the status in your life. So diploma is not the requirements for you to become successful. It is your hard work. Okay. And then lastly here in this PPT part, totally different because of changes, right? So we are different. We are making difference because of the changes. Okay, even myself, many people say, "Oh, you have a lot of changes in your face because I changed everything. The products, almost of the products here in my house are all Atomy." Okay, that's the change. That's why we are making a difference. Next slide, please. That's why it is different. We are different from any other because once you join this business, there is no registration fee. Okay, no starter package, no website usage fee, and no sales obligation. That's why we are different from any others. We are making difference. Of course, in the life of other people, that once we help people, they also become successful. That's how we make difference in their lives from what they have, so we can help them to grow and also become businessmen and businesswomen, and someday they all become successful like what we do. So always we say that Songgongheyo, Hamke Songgongheyo, we all become successful because here in Atomy, that's our desire that everyone should be successful. Okay, so next slide, please. So we are different because our business can be inherited up to third generation. Wow, this only here in Atomy. There's no other company that you can inherit your business up to third generation. Only here in Atomy. That's why we are unique and we are different from any others. I always continue to say that word. We are making a difference. We are different from any other. We are unique. Atomy is different, right? Because once you become a partner in Atomy, you have an opportunity to become successful. Okay, in other company, you buy the products, there are no income on that. That's why Atomy is different, right? Okay, next slide, please. And that's why it is different from any other level multi-marketing. Even in Philippines, there are lots of networking and level marketing, but Atomy is very unique because of its unlimited level. That's why we are different from any others. So it doesn't matter how many people you have from different countries of the world. Maybe you have a lot of people, 1,000 people, 2,000. So it doesn't matter. You can accumulate all the PBs from all your downlines in your Kibudo, in your line. No, from where they are in Taiwan, in Europe, in Czech Republic, wherever, in Europe, so in Australia, wherever they are, all the PBs that they accumulated once they purchase the product are all yours. Okay? So we call that unlimited level. That's why Atomy is unique and it is totally different from any others. That's why we are making a difference. We make a difference, right? Okay, next slide, please. And then number two, because first M is what? Okay, so make a difference. We are making a difference. Number two, maximize your potential. What does it mean? So you have to develop your strength and potential. Okay? You can do it. There's no such thing that you cannot do. If you want to become successful, you are willing to face any challenges like what we do. So once I challenged myself to become a sales master, it's not easy. But I said to myself, I never quit. Once I started something to accomplish, I never quit, even in hard times. Okay, that's also the heart of a successful person. So maximize your potential. Next slide, please. So that's our number two, maximize. That's number two, letter M, because the first M is what? Make a difference. Okay, we are making a difference. Number two, maximize your potential. Okay? Hard work is necessary for success. You have to maximize your full potential. And then, of course, you have to minimize your bad habits. It is like you have to uh, zoom in and zoom out. It's something like that. So you have to maximize to make it bigger your potential, but your bad habits should minimize, right? It's somehow like that. So maybe laziness, whatever. So that's all that we call that the bad habits that we have. Okay. Success in Atomy depends in our action. Okay, mark that word, action. It's very important here in Atomy. So if you want to become successful, more action, more action, more action to do in your business. That's right. You heard me right. Okay. So next slide, please. Of course, as I've said here, next slide, please. So it means that to maximize your full potential, minimize your bad habits. Okay. So we have a lot of bad habits. I don't know what kind of that, maybe laziness, complacency. So, but always remember that action in Atomy is very important. how to grow your lineage. Okay, so your people, you have to grow. So because that's the potential that you can do. So sometimes uh, it's not easy, but for those who want to become successful, all things are possible, right? So you can do it. Okay, so it's very important. That's number two. Maximize your potential. Okay, your potential. Okay, and also your team. Next slide, please. So your action, if you can read that in your screen, your action speaks louder than words, right? We can hear that many times. Action speaks louder than words. But here in Atomy also, we can use that uh, a phrase as well. Your lineage and PB will speak for itself if you work hard. Okay? So if your lineage, if your line grow well, it means you do your hard work. Okay? But if your lineage are not growing, so it means you do nothing. So in business, it requires our hard work. So to do our potential, to do our best every day, and do a lots of action, more action. Okay, because our action speaks louder than words. It's very important. Okay, so next slide, please. And also, of course, let us work as a team. So because here in Atomy is a teamwork, right? From our sponsor, then partners should work together and do the planning and discuss everything, how to grow. So, and I'm so grateful for my sponsor here in Songnam. They are very supportive. Okay. So that's very important that we work as a team, right? So you can consult your sponsor, like what we learned last time about the 8 steps to success. So it's very important consultation to have the planning and discuss everything to your sponsor if you don't know some ways on how you grow your line. So this is how you maximize your team potential. So once your team grow and you have a lot of people in your line, so that's the earning will count. So it's very important. So I'm so blessed that I have also a lot of partner here in Korea and as well as in Philippines. So and I'm planning to grow more. That's why I list down all the names. There are about this coming year 2026. I'm targeting about because I list down there are more than 40 people. There are from London in Europe and some other in Australia and have my friends in Taiwan and some other countries. So that's my plan. Okay, so that's how you work it with your potential. Okay, so next slide, please. Next slide. Next slide, please. Okay, so that's how we minimize our uh, bad habits. No, that's how to control our maybe laziness, complacency, and many others that it doesn't help us to grow our business. Okay, so next slide, please. Okay, number three M. Okay, can you repeat after me? The first two M is make a difference, and then what is the second M? Maximize your potential. That's very important to maximize, to stretch out your ability and strength. Okay, so you have to do the hard work. And then number three, because this part on how we grow our business and have more earnings. Number three is move to the next level. Okay, move to the next level. So here in this part, we will learn about the growth and also we call that the mastership bonus and the level here. That's why we need to move to the next level. So if you are now sales masters, of course, your next level is diamond master, right? So that's how it works here in Atomy. Of course, for you to move to the next level, you have to avoid stagnancy. What is stagnancy? Your business should be stagnant. You should avoid that. If you want to go to another level, it means your lineage should continue to grow, not stagnant. Okay? It's continue to grow like a tree growing. Okay? Not stagnant. And then avoid complacency and laziness. What is complacency? It's something like, it's okay. Maybe if you think you have your 20 people, oh, it's okay, 20, it's enough. So it is not. Complacency is like that. So don't be contented that you have already 20 people in your line. You must have to aim more, right? 100, 1,000, because remember, in Atomy, that's why we are different from any others because of unlimited level. So move to the next level. Avoid stagnancy. Avoid complacency and laziness. You know what? Complacency and laziness kills our dream. Okay? Remember that I heard that also from other podcasts. I'm listening some podcasts about business, that complacency and laziness kills our dream. So if you have your dream, don't be lazy and don't be complacent. Okay, so keep on learning and doing your best. So it's very important also to move to the next level, keep on learning. That's why we encourage everybody here in Atomy to have to plug in yourself to the system, to embrace everything in Atomy. So to love the products and all the system, because the system of Atomy is very solid and very strong. That's why once you plug in yourself to the system, so that's also the beginning of the income system. Okay, because you plug into the system and then the system will also uh, give back to you your income. That's why we have the income system here in Atomy. Okay, so we call that passive income. That even though you are sleeping, so your business continue to grow. Okay, and of course, the last part here in this move to the next level is a change of mindset and to have a positive attitude. Always be positive. Although you can hear many negative around. Oh, Atomy is something like this, or maybe Atomy is not good. You know what? You can hear that anywhere also. But have a positive attitude. Never mind all those negative. Okay? People can say what they want, okay? Maybe negative or whatever they don't like, but you keep on pushing yourself to move to the next level. Nobody can stop you. You can say to yourself, I am unstoppable, right? So it's very important, okay? So maybe for other people, to me, it's not good, whatever. Don't be distracted. Continue to achieve your dream. Okay? Continue to have uh, a positive attitude and a good mindset. That's why you keep feeding your mind with knowledge in Atomy. Never mind all those negatives around. Okay? So never mind all those negative. Okay? So that's very important. Next slide, please. Of course, here in Atomy, we have the 7 levels of promotion, right? Okay, so we have the 7 levels of promotion. That's why the third M that I'm going to share, that I shared to you, is about move to the next level. Okay, so like me, so I'm sales master now. So my plan that next year I can raise 2 sales master on my right and 2 sales master on my left. Because if that happens, I become a diamond master. Okay? So that's how it works. Move to the next level. Don't be stagnant that you are contented. Oh, I'm sales master. It's okay. I have 20 people. It's okay. That we call that complacency. So don't be contented of what you have now. Move to the next level. And I'm really inspired by all the Korean sponsors. Every time I met them in meetings, no? So I really inspired by their hard work. Okay, so all the young leaders. No? So especially here, our uh, partners here and all our sponsors here in Korea, they are very inspiring with their hard work, right? So move to the next level because we have all the bonuses from Sales Master, Diamond Master, Sharon Rose Master, Star Master, Royal Master, Crown Master, up to the Imperial Master. That's why we need to move to the next level. Do you want to move to the next level? Of course, it's not easy, but it requires a lot of hard work and action, right? Okay, next slide, please. This is how we explain our compensation plan. Okay, so this is the part of our earnings that you want to become a sales master. So you can challenge yourself. No, if you want to challenge yourself, and the first cycle of the month, from 1 to 15, so you can challenge because you can be a sales master if you reach to 700,000 PB for your personal, and your group PB should reach up to 2.5 million PB on your left, and the same with your right PB. So you become a sales master. So I know it's not easy to do that, but if you work with your team, because as I've said earlier in my previous PPT a while ago, so it's a teamwork. You can challenge your team to raise 2.5 million PB. So like what I did when I become a sales master. Okay, so I challenged my group and then advice from my sponsors. So thank you for all my sponsors and partners who participated my sales mastership. So and I got all this. Okay, so I received also the mastership promotion. Okay, with all this Emuhim, famous skincare set and evening care set. So this, how about Atomi's mastership promotion? So Atomy is so generous enough to compensate also our hard work here in Atomy. So if you want to become sales master, you can do it. Okay. So and then after that, of course, we are focusing on the next level. Move to the next level. Next is Diamond Master. Okay. Next slide, please. So we are now in Diamond Master. So actually, this already in the system. Okay, so if you want to become a Diamond Master, so you will required to have a two sales master on your left and two sales master on your right. That's what I said a while ago. That next year, that's my target that I can raise two sales master on my left and two sales master on my right. So in the two consecutive time, no, from per cycle, I think from January to May. So the first person that we raise is my partner here in Korea and also in my partner in Philippines, my daughter also. So that's how it works here in Atomy because it's a teamwork, right? So that's my target that hopefully that next year I become a diamond master. So that's I believe that's also your dream and that's your desire. For you to become a diamond master, you will receive $800 and also Hemohim, Famous Skincare, and Evening Care set. So it's very generous in Atomy. As I've said, Atomy is different. That's why in the first M that we learn here in our lecture, the first M is make a difference. So amazing. Atomy is totally different from any others. We are making a difference. Okay, so next level is the Sharon Rose Master. Next slide, please. Okay, so after you become a Diamond Master, so of course the next level, because in the third part of this lecture, the third M is move to the next level. And the next level after Diamond Master is Sharon Rose Master. So you are not being stagnant, no? So you are going up, going up, okay? Never quit in going up. Okay, you are now a Sharon Rose Master and you will required to have a two Diamond Master on your left and 2 Diamond Master on your right. That's how it works here in Atomy, that all your partners also become successful. Together, we all become successful if we help each other. We help each other grow our line and our partners, of course, with the help of our sponsors. That's why we are working together. Sponsors, partners are helping together to grow the business. Okay, no one will left behind. So you will receive $2,000. Okay, you can convert that in your own currency and you can have that amount, no, and voucher overseas travel. So all of these are in the Atomy system. Okay, so it's in the Atomy system. Okay, next slide. And the next level that we can achieve after that is the Star Master. Okay, so you become the Star Master. And of course, it requires two Sharon Rose Master on your left and the same to Sharon Rose Master on your right. And you will receive $10,000 and a voucher overseas travel. As I've said, it's already in the system of Atomy. That's once you achieve the Star Mastership, you will receive all this promotion. So that's how it works. Once you have a desire to go and move to the next level, don't be contented from where you are right now. So that's why last night I'm asking some of the great Atomy businessman, like what I sent to them and asked what are some tip, no, for to become a diamond master and some other like that. So because it's very important also to challenge yourself, to feed your mind with all those positive knowledge. Okay, don't be discouraged. Don't be discouraged. So although there are some challenges along the way, a lot of challenges for you to become successful, that even that failures are part of success. Keep moving, never stop. Okay, so after becoming the Star Master, the next level is what? Next slide, please. Of course, the next level is the Royal Master. Okay, it's very important, right? So for you to become a Royal Master, so you will require to have a two-star master on your left and two-star masters on your right, and you will receive all this promotion. No, being a Royal Master, you will receive $50,000 voucher overseas travel, sponsor activity fee, rental fee of car, so on and so forth. So as I've said, it's already in the Atomy system. You can have all of these. Because Atomy, as I've said, in the beginning of the PPT presentation of my compensation plan, Atomy is fair and equal compensation. Okay, all of this you can receive. So, okay, because it's already in the system. What we gotta do is to do our hard work, to do our best, keep moving forward, never stop. Okay, once you started, don't stop along the way. Okay, don't quit. So we are not quitters. Okay, we are not quitters. Okay, so next slide, please. So the next level for us to achieve is the Crown Master. Wow, that's so great, right? So becoming a Crown Master, you will raise two Royal Master on your left and two Royal Master on your right. Oh, so as I said, it's already in the system, and if you have that already raised, and then you will receive the promotion of $300,000 cash awards, overseas travel, full size vehicle, and then also of course $5,000 per month sponsorship activity fee. So wow, as I've said, Atomy is so generous. That's why Atomy is different from any others. So always remember the first M here in Atomy, make a difference. We are making a difference. Okay? So that's very important. And then number two, of course, remember that maximize your potential. Okay? And then here, of course, move to the next level. That's the Crown Master. And then after that, you have to move to the next level. What level next? Next slide, please. Okay, so this is the last level. Imperial Master. Wow, that's our big dream and our big goal in life. Did you write down in your insane scenario in your life scenario about that time frame for you to become Imperial Master, maybe 5 years, 7 years, or 10 years. It depends on how you work. Maybe some of you, I want to become Imperial Master after 10 years, or maybe after 7 years. So it's up for us. So to do the hard work. If you want to do it faster, it's up for us. Okay, so it's very important, okay, to do the hard work. Of course, for you to become Imperial Master, you are required to have a 2 Crown Master on your left and 2 Crown Master on your right. So as I've said, this is in the system. So once you reach that level uh, in Mastership, you will receive, wow, a big amount. So me personally, I experienced and I saw that many times in Urot. Okay, so in Success Seminar, that those Imperial Master receive a lot of money in the forklift. So you cannot carry, no? Even 2 people, 3 people, 4 people, it's difficult to carry. That's why it's carried by a forklift. Wow, it's a big money. Okay, so $1 million. So in Philippines, we can have that maybe more or less 50 million peso. Wow, it's a big amount in Philippines. I don't know, in your currency, you can convert that. But here in Korea, it's a big money also in your own currency as well, right? So, and then you have overseas travel and then so on and so forth. So you have all these incentives, the promotion. Actually, there is just an incentives, okay? Aside from your daily income once you become an Imperial Master. Okay, that's your dream. So I hope you have this kind of dream, big dream, no, in your life to achieve. Okay, so move, always moving to the next level. Don't be stagnant. Don't be contented. Never give up. Never stop. So do the hard work and keep moving. Okay, so that's the level here in Atomy Business. Next slide, please. So I'm about to end this presentation. Next slide. So the cost promotion, this is a total because every level from Diamond Master, but I heard last time, maybe next year, starting Sales Master, maybe also cash can be converted into cash, maybe next year. Okay, so you can add on that. So how much you receive as Sales Master, so can be converted also into cash. So a total of 1.3 no, million dollar. That's only a promotion and incentives. Okay, plus all your income, your monthly income, your weekly income, your daily income. Wow, it's a big amount that you can receive. That's why Atomy is totally different from any others. You cannot find this kind of system from other company. Okay, for me, as I've said many times, I've been into multi-level marketing for 2 times, and those I joined before is not working at all. Okay, so the time I joined Atomy, I studied the system of Atomy and I really like it, and I pushed myself to move to the next level as well. So next slide, please. So if others are already on top, why can't you? Why can't I? What holds you back? What holds you back? If others are already imperial, if others are already crown master, if others are already royal master, why can't you? Why can't me? What holds us back? So it's our hard work. If you continue to do the hard work, you can move to the next level. That's why as I've said earlier, my next level, I desire hopefully next year, I become a diamond master. Okay, so that's how it works here in Atomy. Once you do your best, Atomy is generous enough to help you grow your business. Okay, next slide, please. I think this is the last part. The small step of action every day will bring you closer to your dream than to those who do nothing. Okay, that's my own quotation. I repeat that part. Small step of action, even small action, every day will bring you closer to your dream than to those who do nothing. Okay? So even a small step, even a small action every day, mail, continue to do it. Okay? Small action. What kind of action? So invite people, talk about Atomy, add to your line, add to your Kibudo people, and then buy a little, buy, buy, and encourage other line to buy as well. That's how action take part. Promote Atomy, talk about Atomy to other people. That's how it works. Even a little action every day. Just continue. Okay? Because small action, if you total that, it become a big action. Okay? And it bring you closer to your dream. Wow. And then the last part is thank you. Next slide, please. Wow, so that's very so thank you. Thank you to all my sponsors. Thank you to all my partners. So we need to be thankful every day. So I'm Richard Mahinay, sales master from Philippines. Thank you.